In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Dropbox to DocuSign, step by step. If you want to automatically store completed envelopes, streamline your document workflow, and keep everything synced between DocuSign and Dropbox, this is the setup you need. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can get this connected in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the account that has admin permissions, because you'll need admin access to connect third-party apps like Dropbox. Once you're signed in and on your DocuSign home dashboard, we're ready for the next step. Now look toward the top navigation area and click on Admin. This will take you to the DocuSign Admin dashboard, where you can manage account settings, integrations, users, and connected apps. If you don't see the Admin option, double-check that you're using an account with the correct permissions. Inside the Admin dashboard, find and click on Connections. This section allows you to manage and configure integrations between DocuSign and other platforms. It's where we'll connect Dropbox so documents can be sent or stored automatically. Once you're inside the Connections area, look for the option that says Connect New App. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Integrations Marketplace where you can browse and add new applications to your DocuSign account. In the list of available apps, locate Dropbox. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if available to find it faster. When you see Dropbox, click on it to begin the setup process. Now you'll be asked to type a name for this connection. This is just an internal name to help you identify the integration later. You can name it something simple like Dropbox Integration or Company Dropbox Sync. Choose a name that makes sense for your workflow, especially if you plan to create multiple integrations in the future. After entering the name, click on Login to App. This will redirect you to Dropbox so you can authorize the connection. Sign into your Dropbox account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're using the correct Dropbox account where you want your DocuSign documents to be stored. Dropbox will then ask you to grant permission to DocuSign. Review the access details carefully so you understand what DocuSign will be able to do, such as creating or managing files in your Dropbox. If everything looks good, click Allow to approve the connection. Once you approve access, you'll be redirected back to DocuSign, and the connection will be established. From here, you may have additional configuration options depending on your account type, such as selecting specific folders where completed envelopes should be saved. Take a moment to review those settings and adjust them according to your preferences. After saving your configuration, your Dropbox account is now successfully connected to DocuSign. From this point forward, you can automate document storage and make your document management process much more efficient. And that's it. You've just learned how to connect Dropbox to DocuSign quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.